Okay, so I'm in the studio and today I have a family session. So we have a couple with their 4-month-old coming into the studio. So I haven't done like a focused family session in a while. As you know, I'm mainly doing maternity and newborn, sitter, cake smash, but for people to book like a family session, I haven't done that in a while. So I'm going to show you behind the scenes. I'm going to give you some tips as we go along, and this was booked when I had the end of year promotion going on, so it's about an hour session, really quick, really easy, and so yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Usually when I first come into my studio, I obviously make sure everything is tidy and in place. I've got some water bottles all filled up in the tray, some nice treats on the table, and I sit at my desk, I open my business system, 17 Hats. I check any notes from my assistant May about the session today and the couple and the child and anything I should know, or any points during their conversation, because obviously, I don't know if you know, but May books everyone in, she communicates with everyone, talks to them, emails them, etc. So I always check 17 Hats under their file, any notes. The promotion may be that they booked at the time, the packages at the time, because maybe I've booked a year before or something, a few months, and we've changed anything in the business. So I always double check that. And then I check quickly the questionnaire, and based on the questionnaire where I've asked them what colors they like and things like that, or any special request, then I'll head to my prop wall and I will start to pick out some props and set up ready for the session. So just wrapped up the family session. The boy was about 4 months old, going into 5. It's really hard at that age, and I know a lot of photographers struggle. But you know what? You don't need to fully wrap the baby. There's some cute outfits, even sitter outfits start to fit that age. And with this particular baby, he was quite a big baby, cute and chubby. So I like to also, another thing is when I, find props, I like to have options where I can fit bigger, larger babies in there. So I had a basket, so my white basket that I sourced from some antique store is quite big enough. So we had him sitting with his legs hanging out, super cute. You'll see some images. And yeah, and I took some shots with him on his stomach, here on the Flacati with the backdrop. We got some family shots as well. And then I always go and use my Flicati. So I like to use my Flicati because you can put any age on there. So we popped him on there with some cute koala beanie, like a cute koala hat. And we tried the bed. He just didn't like the bed. So just work with what you have, be creative. It really doesn't take a lot, and from every setup you can get different angles to take, so that way you can you know, fill a gallery of say 20 images. In this case that I had, my promo had 20 images included, so I had to make sure from every setup I could get at least 5 you know, about 6 or 7 images, including the family. So we had 3 setups, the family, and that filled up a gallery, and I got quite a few, and we made it on 20s. So I really hoped you enjoyed this week's blog, something a bit different. If you like this style of video every week, showing you behind the scenes of my sessions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you all next week. Bye for now.